Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the direction sense. So if you see the compass, we have four major directions: north and east, south and west. So if a person is standing here in the center, the upward or the upper point is always towards north. Any point here can be always depicted as north. Whereas the right hand side will always point towards east directions. Similarly, if the person is standing facing north, his opposite direction or the back of the person will be always towards south, or the lower part will be always south, and the left hand side will be towards west. So always the direction will be east, west, north, and south. That is four major directions. But apart from that, there are spaces which can be exist between two major directions, such as any place between north and east will be considered as northeast, and any place between any of these places between south and east will be considered as southeast. And similarly, any of these places between west and north will be considered as northwest, and any of other points between west and south will be considered as southwest. So if the person is standing here, and suppose we say that he has to travel towards northeast, so that will be always towards or the middle point of north and east. So let's see two examples of direction sense problems. In the first problem, it states y is in the east of x, which is in the north of z. And if p is in the south of z, then what is the position of p with respect to y? So first we have to always create a diagram to understand what is going on. So y is in the east of x. Suppose this is the point, we call it as x. So y is always in the east of x. So y is always towards the right, which is the north of z. That means x is always north of z. So z will be towards the south. So here we can see the z position. And if p is in the south of z, so p is further south of z. So p, suppose here is a p. And then what is the position of p with respect to y? So we have to find out the position of p with respect to y. So the direction, if y wants to go towards the p, then it will be towards southwest. So if we see in the compass, you can see from this position, if we want to go this way, this is between south and west. So this is southwest. So the D choice is correct. So let's see the second problem. The second problem is Arup is looking for a person Binay. He went 90 meters in the east before turning to his right, and then 20 meters before turning to his right again to look for Binay at his uncle's place, 30 meters from the point. Binay was not there, and from there he went again 100 meters north before meeting Binay in a street. How far did Arup meet Binay from the starting point? So we'll consider or assume A is the point where Arup started. So he went 90 meters in the east. So this is the east direction. So he went 90 meters and turned his right. So once he went there, if he's facing towards east, so the right hand side will be always towards south. So he went south for 20 meters. Before turning to his right again. So again he had to turn right. So again he had to turn right for 30 meters at his uncle's place. So this is 30. And he could not find Binay there. And from there, he went straight 100 meters north. So from here, he went 100 meters north. Suppose here there is a point and this is 100 meters, point B. So he found it here on the street. So how far did Arup meet Binay from the starting point? So what is the distance, the minimum distance between A to B? So you can, if you can see the triangle AOB. In the triangle AOB, the distance between A to B is the distance, minimum distance that Arup went to meet the Binay. So we have to find the hypotenuse of this triangle by finding out what is the length of this side and this side of the triangle. So out of 90, we have to take out this 30 meters. So this is 60 because the total distance is 90 meters, and again he has to go back 30 meters. Similarly, out of 100, he had to go 20 meters. So this one OB is 80 meters. So the hypotenuse length will be square root of 60 squares plus 80 square, which will come out as 100. So how it is? This is the solution where from A to O or A to F is 60 meters and D to E is 100 meters. So F to E is 80 meters. So 80 square plus 60 square square root, which will be as 100. So the distance between A and E, or Arup has to travel to find Binay, is 100 meters. Thank you.